Hey guys! The foldable phone age arrives and it is no secret that every major OEM is working on one of their own foldable smartphones. For as of now, Samsung is leading the foldable smartphone market with its Z Fold series. Oppo is nearly the launch of its own foldable smartphone, and now famous Chinese source Digital Chat Station has confirmed some of the specifications. Before going in, Oppo did something different than Samsung this year by demonstrating their rollable smartphone where Samsung just has a patent. Despite the fact that it was not commercially available, now company is preparing for the Z Fold 3 competitor. Let's see what have the Oppo's first foldable phone. It will have an in-folding design similar to the Samsung Galaxy Fold line with a 60Hz outer screen, a centered punch hole for the selfie camera and gently curved glasses. The main internal screen will run at 120Hz and include the same punch hole selfie camera setup. The punch hole on the other hand will be in the upper left corner. The fingerprint reader of course will be on the side. Some of the camera specifications are also revealed in this leak. The 32-megapixel front camera located on the outer screen is paired with a triple rear camera array on the back, including a 50-megapixel primary unit. The camera bump will be very similar to the Reno 6 series. Again, Digital Chat Station, a leakster, recently released a couple of interesting posts on Weibo. The first of these was identified as coming for the Oppo Find N5G, a strange gadget. The post itself contains a refresh to the long forgotten Oppo N series of phones as well as a photo of what appears to be the Oppo N3, a strange device from 2014 and 15 that had its main camera on the motorized Civil so it could act like selfie camera while also capture some interesting panoramas. The second post about the enigmatic Oppo Find N5G appears to be indicate a foldable display. Based on this, it appears that Oppo's first foldable phone will be debuted as Oppo Find N. According to a second source, Oppo's foldable display phone would have a 7.8 to 8 inches OLED display with a 2K resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. It appears that it is so far along in its development and production cycle that units are now being sent to stores for employee training through internal channels that indicate a quick release. What do you think about this? Let me know in the comment area below. With that said, make sure to subscribe and I will see you in the next one.